Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Axie Infinity Arts. Hello everyone. So today we are going to draw one of the seven Chiranjivis, the greatest Mahabali, Bahubali, Hanumanji. I have started my sketch with basic shapes and then I will go for detailing. Hanuman is a ansh of Devo Ke Dev Mahadev, also known as Rudra Avatar of Shiva. Hanuman is so powerful. In childhood, he tried to eat sun. Hanuman plays very crucial role in whole Ramayana and Mahabharata also. Hanuman is the greatest devotee of Shri Ram. Shri Ram means one of the avatar of Lord Vishnu. This is my final art. Hope you like it. It's time for some animation. So thank you guys for watching my video. Please subscribe, like and share my channel. Thanks a lot.